Hello, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Teely Star. I've been MIA, I know. Listen, this video is going to be all about if you're not focused, if you have been disconnected with yourself like I have, this video is for you. I'll be talking about a little bit of that, and maybe this can help you because I can't be the only one that's going through these things. I absolutely can't. And also, I will be unboxing the IvyPark Valentine Day edition Stan Smiths. So hang out with me. If you're ready, let's get into it. It's been a long time since I've made a video. I have just been trying to figure things out. What I want for myself, what I want for the channel, just a lot. And I think I have been an idol. And I know I haven't gotten on here since December. And I was doing the Vlogmas. And I haven't done anything after that. I really have just been trying to get back into things and where I want to be creatively. I guess if that makes any sense. And I have all these emotions going, guys. So that's what I wanted to get on here. It's just like a vlog style, sit down, talk with you, and an unboxing also too. So I'm going to do that, and that's going to be on the IvyPark Stan Smith's Valentine's Day edition. So I'm going to do those as well on in this video. So I'll be doing that as well. So I just really wanted to get on and just really have a heart-to-heart sit down, because I don't know if anyone else is feeling this way, but I have been trying to work on myself, and I have been putting in a lot of work into doing that, and it has been a process. I think that I had spent so much time disconnected from my own self. I don't know if that makes any sense to anybody, but I've been very disconnected with my own self, and I don't remember the last time where I had like a real sit down and just to really focus and think on things that I love or I want to do, or my focuses and things like that. I hadn't had time to do it. So I figured this is the time for me to sit down and work things out and follow through with that. It has been a process. It has been a journey. It is still a journey. It's an ongoing journey. But I really feel as though now I'm more connected with myself. So I have been questioning a lot of things that have been going on in my life. I've always been a mom, and my whole thing was really geared around my kids and what they wanted to do and getting them through school and things like that. So at this moment in time, I am not, or I do not have kids who are grade school level, and they're young adults right now. So the focus is really truly on myself, and I don't know where to be at this moment. This is just like so wild. It's so crazy. I don't know where to be at this moment, and I'm just trying to figure all of that out. And this is so unbelievable to me, because I feel like, what, you really have never sat down to, I don't know, understand yourself, I guess. And the answer is no. I've never truly done that. I have just been all about family, kids, and myself. Yeah. But now it's totally back to myself. Like, I feel like I am back in my youth, and I'm doing me now. So this is like really crazy. So I'm figuring out, what do I really want for myself? So I had a few things that I wanted to aim towards. One of the things was getting back to friendships. Oh my gosh, like I feel like, one, the pandemic, and then I feel like me going through the situation where I'm, I guess, like an empty nester now, I guess. Ooh, that just sounds like, oh, but I'm not. I'm not. But getting more familiar with myself, I feel like I am doing that now. And who am I? I've lost, I guess, contact or like closeness with friends. So I'm trying to be more of a friend. So that's one of my focuses. So I've been trying to be more of a friend and really communicating with friends that I have and checking in to see how they're doing and playing my part, because I need those connections back again. I feel like I've lost them, and who doesn't need a few friends? I don't need a whole ton of friends. I just need a few friends, and it's nice to have that adult communication. So I am focusing on that. That is one of the things that I'm doing. Also, I would say with my communication style. So I have been the type of person when it comes to communication styles that I'm really not a bad listener. I just tend to give answers from my head, like in my mind, and it doesn't always seem genuine. And I have been trying to work on that. And I've been really focusing on coming from the heart when I speak and leading with those feelings and emotions, and also giving examples of why I feel like this, and that if and really diving into the other person, like letting them express themselves and really helping them with that. Because you can get caught up in the moment and it becomes fix that, fix that, fix that. And then really sometimes that person just wants you to listen and have an open mind and have an open heart to what they're saying. So I've been working on that as well. And realizing and focusing on myself. That's another thing. Just focusing on me, what it is that I love creatively, what it is that I love personally. Who am I? Basically, I feel like because I've lost touch with all of that. So I've been really just diving into me. Do I like these clothing? Am I paying more attention to what society says is appropriate? And just really owning my stuff and getting back into me, figuring out my style, everything, y'all. Like, it's been real. Okay. So those are some of the things that I have really been trying to do, just really focusing back in on myself and doing things with intention, and not just doing them because they're there, or you've been invited to something, but really putting intention into what it is that I want to do and that I'm going to do. Because I feel like when you put meaning into things, you get so much more out of it, and not just doing things just to do them. So intention is another thing. And this is going to be a process, and I would like to just continue to bring you guys along with me on the journey. There's a lot to discover. I'm still going to do the vlog style and things like that. This was just a different one that I just thought I needed to do, because I've been so disconnected lately, creatively, and I've just had a block, and I wanted to just talk about this. I know I can't be the only person who just feels lost sometimes. So if you are struggling, you feel lost, maybe get like a journal, a notepad, a nice little notebook, and just start jotting down some things that you feel that might start to open up your world and have you discover yourself. Because believe me, there's a lot of things that you probably don't know that you have undiscovered until you just start searching for them. So I would say definitely, yeah, start exploring. It's fun right now because I'm like, oh, I'm trying this, I'm doing that. And I didn't know I was this type of person. And just rediscovering myself is just like amazing. Amazing. Like I haven't known myself all my life. No. So here are the shoes. I'm glad you hung in there to listen to me. And I hope it helps as well. So this is the box, guys. It is super duper cute. Oh my goodness. It says IvyPark on it and it's all pink. You know, it's so cute. It's like the For Real Valentine's Day edition. Look at that. The Adidas logo on there. That is super duper cute. Let's get into the shoes. I can't wait. Can't wait. Let's see. Okay. Oh, wrong way. So it slides open like that. And it comes with a little dust bag. Look at that. Isn't that cute? A little dust bag. So I can actually like take the shoes out and put them in the bag. That is too cute. Neutral. And it matches the shoes. The shoes are neutral. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So the sole is, so these are Stan Smiths, the IvyPark Stan Smiths. I'm a super duper fan of Stan Smiths. So when I seen that there was a IvyPark edition and then just the look of them, they were different to me. And I was just like, I need to have those. I need to have them. And they're just as gorgeous and pretty in person. Like I'm not a real sneaker fan, but these fit right into the aesthetics of what I represent. So, and my rediscovery of myself. So these are cute. The sole is like a, I want to say like almost like silicone-y, I guess. See if you can see that. And the laces, look at the laces. The laces have like a little pink tip on them. That's super cute. Oh my gosh, just the whole thing is just stinking cute. The inside has the IvyPark logo on it, in it, and with the Adidas sign. You have a little pink at the bottom of the sole. Isn't that cute? These are so cute. They keep the same style of the Stan Smith shoe with the 3 dots going in a row. And I think these are just gorgeous. Like I cannot wait to wear these. I have so many plans when it comes to these. And these are gonna be just awesome on my feet. I'll see if I can't try it on so that you can see how they look. Okay, here are the shoes, like I promised. I like them a lot. I have more room in them that I would like, so I would say that they are pretty true to size. I did go with a size that I thought would be suitable for me, sticking to the Stan Smith size. So they are pretty much true to size, but I should have sized with my true to size, and I didn't. But I got a little more room than I wanted in it, but it's good. They're nice and comfy. I like them. Can't wait to rock them with something. Yeah. But I'm so excited for these. Like, guys, these are so stinking cute. Like, I love them. Oh my gosh. These are going to be another perfect addition to my wardrobe. And I am so excited to wear these. And I can't wait to get into them. But that is the end of the video. And I hope you really enjoyed it. Like, if you are in a funk or in a stage where you feel like something is missing, maybe you just need to connect more with yourself. I feel like when we connect more with ourselves, we find our purpose. We start to move in the direction that we are supposed to go into. And along the way, going through life, we have growth, we evolve, we change into different people. But I think we also lose ourselves because we get caught up in the everyday thing that's called life, and we just go through it, and sometimes we float and we have no idea. We're not in the moment. We're just not in the moment, and we're just going through life. And sometimes if you feel like that, you need to rediscover yourself, or you feel like you're disconnected rather, and then that might mean that you might need to redirect yourself and rediscover yourself, and figure out, where am I? Where am I? Am I disconnected? Am I doing things just to do them? What's happening with me at this moment? And I promise you, if you sit down just to identify those things and where you're at in this point of your life, it will be very helpful. It'll make things start to make sense. It'll help you figure out things that you love, you don't love, you're not going to waste any time on. It will cut down on a lot of that. So that's where I'm at. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. Subscribe, put on your notification. I got more videos coming. I just needed to come on here and just talk to you guys about it. So thank you. Thank you for listening. Until the next time.